Today I'm unboxing some of the very first things our baby boy will actually use, and this feels really special. Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Kayla Jukic if you are new here, and if you are not, welcome back. As we are getting closer to meeting baby boy, we're just about a month out. I'm really trying to be intentional with the products that I'm bringing into the house for him specifically. I want to have pieces for him that are not just cute, but also that are functional, soft, and comfortable, because at the end of the day, things are about quality over quantity. And one brand that is definitely in the quality space of baby essentials is Copper Pearl. They were kind enough to send baby boy over a little package, and I really want to unbox it together because these are things I'm going to be using for baby boy on a day-to-day basis. I want to disclose that this video is sponsored by Copper Pearl, but as you can see, everything is in the original packaging, so this is going to be my honest and real reaction and first impressions of these products. However, I have been following them on Instagram for quite a while, and they come really highly recommended with the reviews, so I'm excited to try it out for myself. And the reason for that is Copper Pearl is widely known among like first-time parents or parents in general as being exceptionally soft and functional baby essentials. If you've never actually heard of the brand, I would be surprised because they have been in the press and media literally across a whole bunch of different social platforms like What to Expect, The Bump, Time, People, Forbes, and even Babylist. I do have a discount code with Copper Pearl. It is Kayla Jukic, my full name. And when you use my code at checkout, you'll receive a special offer on your order. So make sure you head over to the link in my description box to shop. We have 4 items that we are going to talk through and go over today. But one thing that I'm really excited to share about these products is that they are ethically sourced. Copper Pearl is a proud member of SEDIC, which is the most widely used social audit for supply chains all around the world. That is important for me bringing these products into my house because I know that they are coming from somewhere good. We're gonna kick it off by talking about the sleep bags first, and I have 2 different ones. The first one I got is the Cloud Sleep Bag. I got it in the size 0 to 3 months. There were so many patterns and colors to choose from, but I ended up going with this checkered print that is called Miles. What's really cool about Copper Pearl when it comes to their sleep bags is you can choose the TOG rating that you're interested in. If you have no idea what TOG is, that is the thermal overall grade. That is basically like a standard measurement for warmth for your baby. In colder temperatures, for example, I'm having a winter baby, so in 0 to 6 months, this is the first sleep bag I'm going to be using for him. I went with the 2.5 TOG. So the higher the rating, the more warm it is. The lower the rating, the cooler it is. So first impressions of the sleep bag, holy moly, is it ever soft and lightweight. In terms of material, the covering is 69% polyester, 28% rayon, 3% spandex, and the filling is 100% polyester. The zipper does kind of go crossbody around the chest and then down towards one side. So quickly just unzipping it, like you can see how easy it's going to be to put on and take off your baby. I like that the zipper feels really durable. It doesn't feel like it's cheap or it's going to break. Now for the second sleep bag I got, this one is slightly different because it is a bamboo sleep bag, and I did get it in size 6 to 12 months. So I did cover the first year of sleep bags for baby boy. The print I went with is called Rocketeer, this like rocket ship looking one. In terms of TOG rating, I went with a 1.5 just because he'll be using this probably towards the like end of the summer, fall, but then again into the winter. So we're gonna have to play around with it. This one is obviously a little bit bigger and longer than the first one because baby boy will be getting bigger by this point. Again, the material is so soft. I literally want to sleep with this myself. In terms of the material, the covering is 95% viscose from bamboo and 5% spandex. So it does have a little bit of a stretch to it. And then the filling is 100% polyester. Now what makes the bamboo collection stand out just slightly more than the other products, it's premium viscose from bamboo. So in terms of temperature rating, it's very moisture wicking and overall just very breathable. Like I'm not lying lying when I say that I want to sleep with this myself. Just holding it in my arms, it feels very delicate and gentle on my skin. When it comes to sleep products, I've specifically been thinking about this a lot because when you think about it, babies spend a crap ton of time sleeping. So having good sleep products like bags or fitted crib sheets and even a mattress is like very, very important. So I'm really excited to try these out with baby boy. Now the third product that I received is this swaddle blanket, and I'm so excited for this one. It is the Disney Pixar Cars, which I just feel like is perfect for a little boy. But again, like the sleep bags, I believe there's over 150 different colors and patterns to choose from, which is pretty crazy. Like that is a lot of options for you. First impression, oh my god, the print itself is so stinking cute, but this is probably the softest thing I've ever felt. If you see me swaddling myself with this, just don't say anything. The material on this is 69% polyester, 28% rayon, and 3% spandex. So not only is it breathable and very soft, but it does have some stretch to it. Now the size of this swaddle is 46 inches by 46 inches, which is great because this can grow with baby boy. Obviously we can use it to swaddle him, but eventually it can be used as a very lightweight blanket. But this is also great to use for like tummy time when we're cuddling, if I want to, you know, put it over top of the stroller to cover him. There's just a lot of variability in the use of this, so it's not just limited to swaddles. I actually do not have any swaddles for baby boy yet, so this is going to be the first one that he uses, and that just makes this feel so much more special. Last but definitely not least, baby boy needs some bibs. So I got these bandana ones, again in the Disney Pixar Cars design. We're staying on theme here. What I like about this is that it does come in a pack of 4, so you're not just buying like a singular bandana bib. And the age range for the use of this is 0 to 36 months. It does come with 4 variations in the pattern. So there's just like the regular Cars one that looks like the swaddle. There's this racing checkered one with the lightning bolt. There's this one with Rusty and Pit Crew on it, and then this red Lightning McQueen one. The front of these bibs is actually made out of 100% cotton, and then the backside is made out of 100% polyester. The bibs are actually made with 2 snaps, which is really convenient for parents because it's easy to take on and take off, but it's also secure because it's hard for babies and toddlers to take these snaps off. And the fact that it does come with 2 snaps is really great because it grows with your baby. So when he or she is obviously smaller, you're going to use the second one where the neck is smaller, but then as he or she gets bigger, or in my case when baby boy gets bigger, I'm going to use the second snap because his neck and he will be bigger. After everything that it took to get to this position, which is me being pregnant after 2.5 years of infertility and doing IVF, unboxing items like this obviously gets me very excited, but it also keeps me very humble and grounded. I do just want to shout out and thank Copper Pearl for sponsoring today's video and sending baby boy these products. I can't help but just imagine using these in just a few short weeks. Of course, when baby is here, you guys are gonna definitely be seeing me use these products on a day-to-day basis, and I will obviously update you how, you know, like the swaddling goes and how the sleep bags go when he is actually here. If you're pregnant or preparing for a baby, or if you're even looking to gift something for someone you know who is pregnant, I will leave Copper Pearl's website in the description box below. I know for myself, I'm gonna head over to the website and probably pick up a few more things, but first I'm going to enjoy this moment with these new products and I'm gonna put them away. Thanks for unboxing this with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.